Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you make the best decisions for your beauty and personal care needs. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best dapping dish for acrylic nails, the PIAOPIAONIU 3 pieces nail art equipment cup bowls. If you're someone who loves doing your nails at home or you're a nail technician in need of the perfect tool, keep watching to find out why this dapping dish should be your go-to. Let's start with the basics. The PIAOPIAONIU dapping dish set includes 3 stainless steel cups, 1 large and 2 small, making it incredibly versatile for various nail art applications. The material used is high-quality stainless steel, known for its rust resistance and durability. These cups are not only sturdy but also resistant to wear, which means they're built to last. You won't have to worry about them fading, breaking, or cracking with regular use. One of the standout features of these dishes is their lightweight nature. Despite being made of stainless steel, they are still easy to carry and store. Whether you're at home or working at a salon, these cups are convenient and portable, ensuring you have the right amount of product when you need it. And let's not forget about the lids. Each cup comes with a secure lid, which protects your acrylic powder, nail polish, and other products from dust and dirt, keeping them clean and ready for use at all times. The size of each dish is also perfectly designed to meet the needs of both professionals and home users. The large cup measures around 12 by 10.5 by 4.5 centimeters, while the smaller ones are compact and just right for mixing small amounts of liquid or powder. This variety in size makes it easy to work with multiple products at once, whether you're using acrylic powder, acrylic liquid, or even glitter. The set is designed for a range of nail art tasks, such as storing, holding, and mixing acrylic powders, acrylic liquids, crystal powders, or glitters. If you're looking to keep things organized and efficient during your nail art sessions, these cups are the perfect solution. Plus, the shiny glossy finish gives them a sleek, professional look that will complement any nail kit. If you're looking for a reliable and practical tool to help you with your acrylic nails, these PIAOPIAONIU dapping dishes are the answer. Whether you're mixing powder and liquid or simply keeping your products tidy, they provide the convenience and durability that you need for flawless results every time. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Be sure to like and subscribe for more product reviews, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.